Hello and welcome to this edition of Video Ask a Master, where we discuss all things Mimio. This video is part of our What's New with MimioStudio 7 series, and one of the new features I'm glad to show you is the Object Alignment tool. It's something that wasn't previously available in the Studio 6 version that is definitely a time saver for all of your lesson development. My name is Travis Rink. I am a full-time science teacher. I teach right outside of Wichita, Kansas, and I serve a couple capacities for Mimio as a quick learn instructor and a Mimio Connect moderator. So let's show you real easy how it is to use the object alignment tool. So there's two methods to use this particular function of the software, and once you've selected your multiple objects, you can either come up here to the format menu and you'll see a new feature, the align tool, where you have the left, center, right, top, middle, or bottom available. But you can also, once you have multiple objects selected, right click and you have the same tools available right there. So it's very easy to get to and very easy to do. And let's apply it in a sample lesson that I have set up here. So let's say I have these animal boxes set up and I want to get them set up in a 3x3 grid. So what I might do is I could select this left column. You'll see they're just out of kilter a little bit. I can right click on those three selected and I can choose align and maybe to the left. And when I do that, they're very easily all set up right there. Very easy to do. If I want to get this column going, I can do the same thing. Select all those guys, and I'm going to come up here to Format, Align, and I'm going to say Left again, just to get those all there. Now, what I could do is I could scoot these guys all together by selecting those and move them a little bit closer. And if I do that, you'll notice that I'm just slightly off. Now I could go back and move each individually, but I could also come in here and drag and select across. I'm just clicking and dragging to select these two boxes. And what I could do is right click, align to the top, and now those are all set up. And if I just keep repeating that, select it, align to the top, you'll see that very easily I'm getting this set up. All right. So I could scoot these guys up a little farther if I wanted to, and I'd have it. Now if I want to create one of these boxes, I simply have a blank box here and I take one of these pictures. In this particular case, it's an insect. So what I'd want to do is I could do a couple things here. I could select both of these. I could drag around those. And again, I'll choose the format menu this time. Either way works. I'm a right clicker myself, but I'm going to come down here to the format. I can go down to align and I can say to the center, because I want to center that ladybug in the center of the box. And so it's centered, but you'll see that it's centered left and right. It's not centered top to bottom. So what I can do with those still selected is I can right click this time and I can come down here to align and choose align to the middle. And that will keep those pictures centered with themselves. So you can see it's real easy to do that. And then I could scoot I could click on both of those, and so when I move them, I can get them pretty close. And if I want to center them or align them with all the other pictures, I can right click and go to line and choose top, and I'd have it very easily. Now you'll see when I did that, the ladybug got messed up. Now that was partly because I did not have it grouped. So let me undo that. What I would probably want to do here first is to select both those objects and right click and group those. And when I would come back and repeat that step of aligning those, that would not happen. So I'm going to select all three of those again, come up here to line, and choose to the top, and there it is. All right. So various ways you can use the object alignment tool, and it's very simple to integrate into things that you do, and it will definitely save you some time. So if you have any further questions, of course, you want to visit our website at www.mimioconnect.com. We want to hear from you and how you plan on using these tools in your classroom or how you're already doing so. And again, if you have any other questions on the Ask a Master side, please definitely contact us, as we'd love to answer those questions. And be sure to visit mimioconnect.com/askamaster. Have a great day.